Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful symbols of the United States, the bald eagle. This majestic bird appears on money, government seals, military insignias, and even passports. But why was the bald eagle chosen as America's national symbol? Let's dive into its fascinating history and meaning. The bald eagle became the national bird of the United States in 1782. The founding fathers wanted a strong and noble symbol that represented freedom, strength, and independence. The eagle was chosen because of its impressive appearance, sharp vision, and ability to soar high above the land, symbolizing power and resilience. Before deciding on the bald eagle, some leaders had different ideas. Benjamin Franklin, for example, preferred the wild turkey. He believed the turkey was a more honest and respectable bird, while he thought the bald eagle was a scavenger that often stole food from other birds. However, most leaders agreed that the bald eagle had the majestic qualities needed for a national emblem. The bald eagle is unique to North America, making it a perfect choice to represent the United States. It lives near large bodies of water and builds enormous nests, sometimes weighing over a ton. This bird has incredible strength, capable of carrying prey several times its own weight. Its piercing eyes and powerful wings have made it a universal symbol of freedom and courage. Despite its strong symbolism, the bald eagle almost disappeared from the wild. In the mid-20th century, habitat destruction and the use of pesticides, particularly DDT, led to a sharp decline in the bald eagle population. By the 1960s, it was on the brink of extinction. However, thanks to conservation efforts, environmental laws, and the banning of harmful chemicals, the bald eagle population recovered. In 2007, it was officially removed from the endangered species list, proving that with care and effort, national treasures can be preserved. Today, the bald eagle remains a proud and powerful symbol of the United States. Whether soaring in the sky or standing proudly on the Great Seal, it represents the strength, resilience, and freedom of the American people. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the bald eagle is America's national symbol and the meaning behind its powerful image. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.